Tesla's Giga Press Machine, revolutionizing automotive manufacturing. The automotive business has always been on the cutting edge of technical innovation, with automakers constantly aiming to build vehicles that are more efficient, safer, and environmentally friendly. With its groundbreaking Giga Press Machine, Tesla, the top electric car maker, has taken this mission to the next level. This game-changing technology is not only altering the game for Tesla, but for the whole automotive industry. Tesla's Giga Press Machine, a giant die-casting machine that is revolutionizing how automakers build vehicle parts, is a monumental leap forward in automobile manufacturing. Its massive size and innovative technology enable it to make parts that were previously thought to be impossible to produce fast and efficient. Tesla's production process has been optimized with the Giga Press, resulting in shorter production periods and the utilization of less resources. In this video, we'll dive into the Giga Press complexity, looking at its unique characteristic and how it's changing the automotive industry as we know. Join us on our tour through the most cutting-edge automobile manufacturing technology and learn why the Giga Press is the future of automotive production. Welcome to Stock Genius, where investing in generating and deepening knowledge is the norm. If you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe for more content like this. The Giga Press Machine is a huge die-casting machine that makes electric car parts. It is a technological marvel that weighs approximately 410 tons and has a maximum clamping force at 61,000 kilonewtons. It can produce high-strength, low-weight products using high-performance aluminum alloys, which have various advantages over typical aluminum alloys in die-casting process. First, because of its great strength and durability, it is suitable for producing robust and lightweight components for industries, including automotive, aerospace, and electronics. This means that manufactured components are less prone to fail or break under stress, resulting in improved overall performance and safety. Second, it has great corrosion resistance, making it suited for use in extreme situations, such as the marine, offshore, and chemical industries. This feature increases the longevity of manufactured components and lowers maintenance expenses. Finally, the alloys enhance castability and fluidity, make complex geometries and thin wall pieces easier to create. The machine's adaptability also enables casting process customization, allowing manufacturers to tailor the process to their individual demands, making it a game changer in the automotive sector. Moreover, it can also generate up to 8 pieces per minute with sections up to 3.5 meters long and 1.2 meters wide. The equipment melts the metal before pumping it into a die to form the desired shape. This procedure, known as die casting, is significantly faster and more efficient than traditional manufacturing methods. As a result, the part is of excellent quality, robust, strong, and lightweight. Before we uncover and weigh its advantages, let us first go over the materials making up its body. The machine's body and components are primarily made of aluminum because it is lightweight, durable, and has good thermal conductivity. Aluminum is used for the machine's body and components because it is lightweight, sturdy, and has superior thermal conductivity. The molds or dies that molds the molten aluminum into the correct shapes are made of steel. Silicon carbide is used as a mold covering to boost the mold's longevity and durability. To ensure a high quality and defect-free casting, argon gas is used to pressurize and dry the molten aluminum into the mold. to clean the molds and eliminate any residue or build up aluminum oxide is employed as an abrasive substance. The machine's movement and pressure application are powered by hydraulic system, allowing it to exert huge amount of force to manufacture the castings. The machine's activities are controlled by electrical systems. Electrical systems are utilized to control the machine's operations and monitor its performance. The Giga Press machine has various advantages over traditional manufacturing procedures. For starters, it substitutes several parts with a single cast, reducing the requirement for assembly. This implies fewer parts to create fewer machines to operate and fewer personnel to operate them. Second, it removes the need for welding, which can be time-consuming and costly process. As a result, the manufacturing process is faster and more efficient, lowering costs and improving quality. Finally, it is good for environment. The machine creates lightweight pieces for the car by employing aluminum alloys. This in turn improves the fuel efficiency and lower carbon emissions. Furthermore, it consumes less energy than typical manufacturing procedures, lowering the manufacturing process's carbon footprint. Definitely, Tesla has been the vanguard of electric vehicle revolution, and the Giga Press machine has been crucial to its success. A round of applause to Hydra, the Italian worldwide leading company that produced and supplied this machine. In simple terms, the Giga Press machine is used to make rear and front castings, which replace over 1,000 pieces with just 2. As mentioned in the earlier part of this video, this undoubtedly greatly saves production time and cost while enhancing end product quality. This eventually enabled Tesla to increase manufacturing and fulfill the growing demand for electric automobiles. The Giga Press machine is still in its early stages, but it is already having a huge impact in the automobile industry. It has made ripples in social media as a result of Elon Musk's ambitious projects for Tesla and the automotive industry as a whole. As the demand for electric vehicles grows, it's probable that more automakers will use the Giga Press machine to optimize their manufacturing processes. Furthermore, technological developments may enable the machine to generate ever larger and more complicated creative pieces in the future. To sum it all up, Tesla's Giga Press machine is changing the game for automobile makers by increasing manufacturing efficiency, speed, and quality. What are your thoughts on Giga Press machine and its impact in automotive industry? Do you think other car manufacturers should adopt the Giga Press machine? Why or why not? What other technologies do you think will play a significant role in the future of electric vehicles? We definitely would love to hear your thoughts. This is Tech Genius and Work. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos.